There's a few things that I want to define before going any further to make sure we are all on the same page as far as terms for mitral valve assessment. The tenting area is defined as the triangular area formed by the mitral valve annular plane and those tenting leaflets. Remember, in secondary ischemic MR, that tenting area is predictive of repair failure. Also, that tenting length is the distance from that mitral valve annular plane to the coaptation point. Tenting length greater than 1 centimeter is predictive of mitral valve repair failure in ischemic secondary MR as well. Next, let's move to the mitral valve leaflet height. You'll see this with the blue arrows here, the posterior mitral leaflet height and the anterior mitral leaflet height. And this height is always going to be shorter than the length. The height is defined as the spot from the mitral valve annulus to the coaptation point in systole. And it's measured in systole because systole is when the leaflets will coapt. However, when we move to the red lines, you'll see the mitral valve leaflet length is measured from the mitral valve annulus to the leaflet tips in diastole. Lastly, coaptation length is the length of overlap of the two leaflets.